At its height, Rome commanded 3 continents, ruling millions with unmatched power.
For glory!
Yet even empires fall. But what if Rome never did?
It's amazing.
Imagine a world where Latin became the language of Earth and Rome's eagle still ruled the skies. Had Rome endured, its vision would have stretched far beyond the Mediterranean. With the Silk Road under its grasp, Rome could have claimed the wealth of Asia. India's riches might have flowed west, not east. Even China itself might have faced the eagle's shadow. The New World would not have waited for discovery, it would have been conquered. A single empire could have tied the globe together centuries early. In this world, Rome never fell, and its empire became our planet. A single senate could rule billions under one law. Latin would not be lost, it would be the language of Earth. The roads of Rome would never end, binding continents together. An unbroken army would have become a machine of eternity. Old gods might never fade, reborn as faith eternal. Science without Dark Ages might have cured centuries of suffering. With no fall, Rome might have claimed the stars. The eternal city would have become the eternal world. Nothing forgotten, no knowledge burned, no history lost. A single empire, one Earth, forever Roman. Entertainment might remain soaked in blood, magnified by technology. The empire's order would stretch into every shadow. Justice might belong not to people, but to the Senate alone. With no fall, Rome might have invented surveillance centuries before its time. Power beyond borders, unquestioned and eternal. A single empire would raise not citizens but subjects. Dissent would vanish into the empire's shadows. Even trade would belong to the eagle. Nations would never rise, only provinces. An empire eternal, but freedom lost forever. Even knowledge would bow to the Senate's decree. Knowledge preserved but never free. Faith itself would be chained to the empire's hand. Dissent would survive only in shadows. Invention would thrive, but belong only to empire. Freedom of voice would vanish beneath the eagle's cry.
Shall serve the glory of Rome alone.
Progress would march, but in lockstep with war. No one would live uncounted, no life unclaimed.
Citizen 741.
A world united but never free.
382.
Citizen 519.
Even the sun itself would be chained to Rome's will. Nature's wildest heart would not escape the empire's reach. Even the frozen ends of earth would bear Roman banners. The oceans would belong to Rome as much as the land. Rome might never stop at Earth, it would climb to the stars. The red planet itself might have been Rome's new frontier.
Ad astra, ad victoriam.
The Senate eternal, ruling not a city, but a world. And beyond the stars, Rome's eagle might soar forever. Even life itself would be redesigned to serve empire.
We must prioritize the needs of all sectors.
A world united, an empire eternal, but at what cost? Would mankind be strong or only obedient? Would unity bring strength or silence? What if Rome had never fallen? Would the world still belong to us?